Hey, Huddy, welcome to your Overflow Era Blueprint. I made this because there are too many women, too many brilliant, highly talented, highly capable women who aren't getting the traction that they deserve, who are constantly circling around this just having enough without really living the life that they know that they were here to live, right? You know that you were here for something brilliant. We're just going to remind you of that. All right. I created the Overflow Blueprint, the Overflow Era Blueprint, because I wanted to extract your brilliance. I wanted a little soul excavation to remind you who you are, why you're here, and to turn up that dial to your fire, to your turn on. So you could remember who the fuck you are, right? So inside this blueprint, you are going to start with one question, and then you're going to go through a series of, not heaps, a few questions, right? I can't remember how many there are, maybe about five. So, my recommendation for you to get the most out of this blueprint, I have spent hours and hours gathering, creating my material and years of workshops, of trainings, of teachings, of masterclasses. There have been countless, hundreds, thousands of hours that have really gone into this. And so what I know is that just let it rip. The deeper you go, the more you will get out of what I call Little Amber, right? Little Amber is is my nickname for this custom GPT, the blueprint, the Overflow Era Blueprint. And so it's designed to alchemize old beliefs, to give you and remind you, reflect back to you of what your soul purpose is, and what your brilliance is, and what you can do to move more into alignment, right? So it's super clear, it's super easy. It's going to take about 15 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes absolute tops. I'm going to say probably about 15 to 20 minutes, really, for most people. The deeper you go, the more you'll get out of it. All right. So just brain dump, get it all out of your body, get it all out of your system. No one else sees this except for you. All right. I don't see it. No one else sees it. This is just for you, an extraction of your brilliance. So get really honest with yourself. Let it rip. Let it all just come out. And I promise you, what will be reflected back to you is absolute gold. All right. So have fun, enjoy. You'll also receive a guided meditation that helps you on the flip side. After you do the blueprint, you'll receive an email that has one of my medicine journeys that I made and recorded just for this experience for you, so you could tap into your own frequency of how your overflow frequency and current lives, moves inside your body, right? Because the biggest thing that I want you to know is that we can do this, right? You can have the blueprint, but it's what comes after that really helps you change your life and to get the traction that you deserve, that you know that you want. All right. So I recommend that you do that meditation every day for 7 days. It will arrive in your inbox 2 days after you sign up for your Overflow Era Blueprint. Okay. So if you don't get it for whatever reason, reach out to me and I'll send it through to you. Okay. But enjoy. Let me know how you go. And I'm so friggin' excited for you. Bye for now.